I'm Juanita, Mrs. David's Garden Seeds, and this is my brand new transplanting area right outside of my greenhouse. It's just too hot to use the greenhouse right now. So I've been transplanting this all week long. We just got it put in. And we've got a few more things to transplant. These snake plants, otherwise known as mother-in-law's tongue, have really been growing in there. I've transplanted a bunch of them, but I still have quite a few left to transplant. They really grew a lot this summer. So, I'm going to get that started. Let me get this tray. The snake plant has babies inside the pot, and then they grow up and outgrow their pot. So we need to get the whole thing out. It's not easy sometimes. There we go. Alright. Now here you can see there's 1, 2, there's 4 plants in here. So, best thing is to take the shovel from what I found earlier this week and run your shovel. Can you see that in there? Run your shovel in between the plants, break them apart. They're attached by these little white underground systems. So here's this first one. It's got good roots and everything. So I can stick it down in here. And all down in there. And then put the dirt around the roots. I am running out of potting soil since I've been doing this all week, so I don't have too much left that's good. Grab my water. Oh, sorry. You can cut that part out, or not. Give it a little water. And then set it over here. You always want to water your plants after you transplant them. Alright. I'm going to get a little bit of water from, dirt from this one. Yeah, so all my good pots and dirt, they're already gone for the week. Oh. Alright, I'm going to split it again. See, this is the hard part that you got to use the shovel to go through. Get in there. It's pretty easy to transplant these. The problem with having snake plants is, yeah, they're pretty, they're nice, but they grow babies. So be prepared every couple of months to check and make sure that they don't have little babies sticking up. And if they do, you're going to have to remove them. Put them in another pot. You can have more plants or give them away as gifts. These snake plants, they make good gifts. Everybody wants them. There's another one we'll let sit over here and rest. Some of my brand new ones I'm going to put out for sale today in the store, like this one. I transplanted it Monday or Tuesday. It's looking really good. Okay. Now we still have to split these two. Oh, there we go. The soil's a little wet in there. This one there. Give it a little water. Now, aloe vera is the same way. It has babies or pups inside the pot, and you're going to have to take them apart and transplant them. Alright, one left. And I wanted to have a bigger pot. Let's see here. Now see, this one, it's been in the greenhouse. See how that leaf is kind of wrecked? The heat's not very good for them. I mean, not the super heat that we get in Texas inside of a greenhouse in the summer. So I'm just going to break these off. I don't have my cutters with me. Okay. Let's get some dirt. Wow. I'm going to break that up. Like I said, I need to get more dirt. All my good dirt is gone. I have been transplanting trees. I believe I transplanted about 20 trees this week. That took up almost all my dirt. Here on our farm, we don't have nice dirt. We have sand. So it makes it very heavy, and it really isn't all that great for growing things unless you happen to be a watermelon or a strawberry. Those things love the sand. There's a little bit more over here. Anyway, I want to invite you to come on by David's Garden Seeds Farm. That's here where we are. The farm store is open Monday to Friday from 9 to 5 and Saturdays from 10 until 4 p.m. So come on by and see us, see our plant selection. We will have a lot more plants now that we have these plant areas to fix things in. Come on out and get yourself a nice bargain. We have a lot of wandering Jews. We have some citronella. Of course, these snake plants, and in season we will have vegetable plants. We have some herb plants out there. I know there's a thyme plant, there's some basil. Oh, I can't remember what else is out there. Matthew, do you know? Alright, well, he doesn't know. And a lot of these will be going out as soon as I think they're good enough to go out there. Like I say, they've really been baking in the heat. Oh, we do have some rue or ruta, and we have some parsley. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to David's Garden Seeds channel, as well as Mrs. David's Garden Seeds channel. Like and subscribe, and be patient with us because we're still new to filming what we do. But we would like to grow our channel. Come on out to the store. We're at 5029 FM 2504. Just outside of Poteet, Texas. Bye.